Welcome to this detailed overview of Shirtcity. Shirtcity is an online platform that allows you to design and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel. It's perfect for anyone who wants to start a dropshipping business with minimal upfront costs. The website offers an intuitive design tool where you can create your own apparel using your designs, text, or images. Once you've created your designs, Shirtcity handles all the printing and shipping for you. The dropshipping process is simple, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. The site provides a wide range of customizable products, from shirts to mugs, which can be sold through your own online store or through their marketplace. You don't have to worry about holding inventory, as Shirtcity takes care of production and fulfillment, leaving you free to focus on sales. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Shirtcity's pricing structure is clear, with no hidden fees. However, it's essential to note that their base prices may be higher compared to some competitors, which can affect your profit margins depending on how much you charge customers. The shipping times are generally reasonable, though they vary depending on the destination. The platform offers integration with various e-commerce tools, making it easy to connect your Shirtcity account with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. This helps you streamline your sales process and reach a broader audience. If you're looking for a simple way to start a custom apparel business without managing inventory, Shirtcity might be the platform for you. It's an excellent solution for anyone seeking to create personalized products on demand. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials.